evening. I think it's the 27th, and it is the evening to sister these 2x6s. Good afternoon. It's Saturday, May 29th, and I am working on the back wall of the stairs today. I've basically got everything supported all the way up to the roof line. I've got a bunch of temporary stuff, including these temporary purlin braces that I'm going to take out because I've got these new double purlins installed with purlin braces every 16 inches, and that's going to go all the way. I just need to finish taking out this old purlin brace and supporting that to the roof line with this new wall underneath. So I'm getting some great support out of this new wall, and it's gonna support the roof better than it was ever supported before. Once I get that done, I can work on supporting this purlin behind me. And the way I'm gonna do that is pretty much just keeping it in place. I'll do some temporary supports from the floor, and then that will allow me to nail a support board underneath these ceiling joists and then cut them all, because right down the middle of this channel here is going to be two 2x12 LVL beams, and those are 17 feet each, and I will hang the joists on either side on that double LVL, and then the purlin braces will go on top of it, and it's just going to be this super strong beam that's supporting the roof and the ceiling joists, and that will allow me to do a pony wall on the front side of the stairs, opening them up. So I'm going to get cracking on all of that. right, progress report for this Sunday. You saw this morning, Mom and Dad were here helping me out. The big item is Dad and I got this big double 2x12 LVL installed. What I've been working on is hanging all of the joists, so the double 2x6s, and on the other side, those 2x6s. I've got a few 2x6s left behind me to hang, and they're all singles, and none of those are over the stairs. So I'm gonna knock those out. We'll see how much I get done today. This is my 4th day of just doing this all day, and my body is really tired and sore. This is hard work, but I've been saying this framing stuff is some of the hardest work I'll do. Again, to show you behind me, this wall is in, it's anchored, it's secured. This is gonna be very sturdy. I'm very happy with how it all came out, but it's been dang hard work, that's for sure. So I think I'm gonna get everything hung and cut, and possibly I'll start on extending this to the roof line today. We'll see. 6 o'clock on Memorial Day, the 31st of May. I've got the south purlin wall installed here, and it looks pretty good. It's nice and level, and everything fit in really snugly and is tied down at the top. So that is a good wall. Next up, I've got to support these purlins properly, and previously there was only 2 purlin braces, but I'm gonna put 4 in and tie those as well and get them integrated into this double 2x12 LVL. Roof purlins reinstalled, and I even added in a bonus one, because why not? All right, now that those are framed, the funnest part can begin, which is tearing out all these beams. June 1st, 7 p.m. Today, I'm cutting the hole in the floor for the new stairs. I'm gonna get masked up. Wish me luck. Good evening, end of June 1st, and tonight was freaking awesome. I got this hole cut in for the new staircase, and it doesn't look like much, but man, literally months of work has led up to this night, and I am thrilled with how it's turning out. I have a little bit more work left. You can see on the end there, I still need to put the double 2x10 blocking and hang it, just to shore up that end and make it nice and strong. I'll do that tomorrow night. I'm just pooped. But the floor hole is cut. I'm gonna walk a little bit up to the edge. And yeah, everything's looking real sturdy. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I'm gonna flip the camera around and give you guys a couple more shots of it.